You don't have to figure out this AI stuff and building content and making content and trying to drive traffic to your products and or services all alone. I am here to help you. If you don't know who I am, welcome to the channel. I am Willis, digital product creator and mentor. I specialize in creating digital products using AI. I am the techie one, so you don't have to be. And I want to show you how you can generate some promotional content on the fly using AI. So let me dive into my computer so I can share with you the promo creator. So in the previous videos, I've been walking you through the setup on the traffic takeover. This traffic takeover helps you stay focused and promote a single product for 30 days because we have to give our baby some nurturing. So whenever we create a product, the goal is to at least promote that product for 30 days. Even if we're making more products in the meantime, we can still stay focused on promoting that one product for 30 days and so on and so forth. And we can keep switching out our products to be able to promote products every 30 days as we go. So this promo creator allows you to take the angles and the hooks that we made. I have a previous video on those. You can see them up here or in the playlist. But we created some angles, some hooks, and we can turn that into full-blown post. We could do it one at a time, or we can do it for a full week, okay? Now, every post gets saved to your swipe file. So there is a swipe file built in here as well. So if we go down, as you can see, I created a post. I highly recommend that whenever you are picking your angles and your hooks, if you see something you like, you star it, because when you get here to generate the post, when you click, it's going to have all of your hooks, all of your angles. You can single out the ones that you chose if you starred it, because there will be a star right beside it. And that allows me to quickly choose which ones I liked because I've already went through them and starred them. So I chose this one for my angle, and I'm going with this hook. So the angle is, I'm not techie enough for this. So the goal is to address this by explaining exactly how her Empire Digital community, the builders community, helps them without having to be techie, okay? Because this is geared to the product. And in this case, my product that I am stress testing, the system that I've built on, is the Her Builders community, which is my free community. And if you want to join, the link is in the description below, where we talk all things AI and building out systems for our businesses. The hook right here, I chose this one. So if you're still doing everything in your business manually, this video is about to change your life. I already know what this says because I looked at the whole thing already. Then you get to pick your platform. These platforms come from when you originally set this up, when you started your message finder and things like that, and which platform you're going to be on. So when you set up your product initially, you went through selecting the places that you wanted to promote on. And that gives you the platforms here because I chose YouTube, LinkedIn, and Instagram. But for this post, just for this case, I am choosing YouTube, and it's going to say what type of post that I want to do on YouTube. Now, you can post on YouTube, right, in the communities tab. However, this can help with video verbiage and video ideas for YouTube. So I put the post type educational, and I want to close it with a soft close, and then I can generate. I also had the ability to generate 7 days up front. But since this was YouTube, I only wanted to do one. Now, if you're doing LinkedIn or something like that, or Instagram or Facebook, something where you got to post every day, school, you might want to shoot the 7. But in my case, this is only a YouTube video. I'm making it an educational video. I could have did story, promotional, behind the scenes, or whatever. I'm doing education because I'm showing somebody how to do something, and the CTA style, which we're going to do a soft close on this. And I explained this prior in, I believe, the message finder. And again, that video is in the playlist. So I clicked that for my soft close, generated the post, and now you can see It's a YouTube post, it's educational, and here go the full post right here. Okay, if you're still doing everything in your business manually, this video is about to change your life. That's basically the hook that I will open up the video with. And before you say it, now this is stuff you can say in the video. I already know what you're thinking. You know, I'm not techie enough. I'm addressing the objective right there. Then I'm like, girl, same. That's literally why her Empire Builders community exists, right? I can put this, I can reword it and put this in a community post on YouTube if I wanted to, or I can say bits and pieces of this inside my video. You can go in here, you can actually add things, right? If I could spell, you can add things, you can remove things. So this gives you like the post. And then of course there's a button here where it says save to swipe file, and you get to save it to the swipe. Because if I go to the swipe, let me go over here now to show it to you. This is what's in there. More. Okay, all of this, the CTA, everything that was on this page is saved into the swipe. When you generate all 7, you can save them to the swipe file as well, and you can always see your swipe. But let me break this down. So it gives you the short version. It gives you a CTA. Save this video, drop a comment, you know, with the first task you would like to automate. This can be in the description. This can be a comment, a pinned post, a comment in YouTube. It gives you a graphic idea for your thumbnail. It also gives you a follow-up prompt. If somebody said, "Ooh, this was a good video," this gives you something to say. Or you can reword this and put it as a pinned comment in your YouTube channel, or in my case, my YouTube channel. And then, of course, we have notes that would be saved if we had any thoughts that we wanted to save about this for the next 7 days. And then we will mark the module as complete, and we can download this as an MD, this post. Here's the thing about downloading these posts here. So over here in the saved post, I can export all of the posts, right? I can do that. And then I can save it as a MD file. So when I come up here, it says saved post, right? These are the saved posts for the MD file. Now, if I keep track of these posts, okay, I'm not necessarily feeding it to AI just yet. Maybe I'm just saving all of the posts that I created. And then when the post performs very well, I'm able to give my AI that MD file based on that particular post and let them know, hey, this type of post did very well. And my AI can be trained to generate posts that are similar in style to keep that engagement and that momentum going. So this happens very, very fast inside of the Traffic Takeover. And this is a good way that you can generate promo content without sounding like you're begging your people. Okay? Like you're begging for sales. This talks in your voice. It's geared toward your product. Once you put the product in, everything is saved all the way down. And we're going to be walking through every single module so that way you have a clear understanding of how this software can help you with your content and let you start working smarter in your business and faster in your business instead of doing everything manually. So if you want to follow along, go ahead and like this video for me. That'll be doing me a huge solid, and subscribe to the channel so you can be notified when I drop the next video in this series. Okay. So if you've watched so far, thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye now.